What is the real aim of life? It is a well known fact that a person without an aim is a person without a life. All the creatures in this universe have one or another specific aim. It is common for all things, as the human is the best creature among them all. He has given a right to select that what he wants to do in his life. The mindset of each and every is of its own type. Therefore, his aim of life will be also be different from others. What is the aim? In a generic term, purpose or goal is a name. A person in his childhood might want to be a famous astronaut or a movie star or a police officer or something like that. Aim means to intend, to try, or to aspire. Each aim generally starts with the declaration of setting the goal, then breaking it into smaller pieces over a set timeline. Thus, to achieve it, one has to overcome many obstacles and setbacks from time to time. Importance of aim in life. There is a popular saying that a man without an aim is like an aim without a rudder. It means a ship without a rudder faces danger. Thus, similarly, a man without aim cannot reach towards his goal of life. He stumbles in his way of life. So, every person must have a definite aim. So, the aim of life is to give your life a purpose and a meaning. Certainly, it is done by finding out what truly matters to you. Your purpose is to create more joy in life or to show others how you can live your life in the best possible manner. Let's move. Primary aim in life. A person can set the aim of his life by applying various parameters in life. Some of these may be to live with a specific purpose and passion every day, to live for others with helping them, to become a great father, great mother, great son, or a great doctor, to become a widely successful entrepreneur and businessman, to live a healthy, active, and fit life, to live a financial freedom in life. Types of aim. Different people have different aims. Some person may want to become a doctor while others may want to start his own business. Likewise, if engineering appeals to some, the army may be the attraction for others. Some aim at becoming a teacher while social service or politics suits others. So different people adopt different aims according to their inclination or taste of precipitation about life. How to choose the right aim of life? It is the responsibility of the parents and the teachers to persuade their wards to select the profession according to their aptitude. Thus, one can say that the right aim means right life and the wrong aim means wrong life. So we should be very cautious while deciding on our aim. Certainly, this is the most difficult problem that a young man faces is the selection of a profession. If a person does not choose his aim rightly, he will be always misfitted in his life. Thus, the best aim would be for one in which one feels happy always and he can do something worthwhile. Also, at the same time, he assures about bright prospects in life. Everyone should set a goal which is personal to him and will always inspire to reach new heights. Therefore, don't follow the mob and mimic the ambitions of friends. How to achieve the aim in life? Some non-avoidable points which must be remembered are: be proactive, no more negativity. Always be balanced, fully focused, break it down, embrace failure, tell everyone, get help and guidance, track your progress, visualize the end result, reset the action plan. Thus, it is a fact that setting an aim and acting to achieve it is very important for a successful life. Everyone must start working towards it. Timely execution of an action plan with a proactive attitude is the key to success. One of the best ways to stay motivated is by visualizing the change and likewise by achieving step by step milestones. Thanks for watching. Hope you like. Bye bye.